Hi everyone, good afternoon, good night, and good morning. In this video, do you show for you and how to make a ball floating in water. It's mode basic, okay? Mode basic, nothing for waves and around in the ball, okay? And for first things do you made and click file, new, general, okay, don't save, and delete the cube seed, cube seed, oh, okay, and add the mesh plane and press SK for drag the mouse and display. It's so big, okay, and shift A, mesh, UV sphere, okay, and right click, shade smooth, and click in 0 from CD camera, and click the plane, for increment the size, it's a small, okay, and click shade, viewport shade, okay, and click the light and final object data properties and change the option point for option sun and string do choice and less string and in the point string 1000 is normal for the sunlight is 1000 is very power and likely the sun brighten in the UIs and though shiny for five just is alright, okay, it's right, and click the plane, click the light modifier and modify the form and color displays, alright, in strength you change for 001, no 0.5 and click it in the new button, okay, and click in show text from the tab. Mm, choice clouds and shading, click in new and spread base Jeff and the normal, add bump and base color, color ramp, color ramp, and node color for color ramp, connect the height, alright, and factory, add cloud, shift J, dash 3, test Musgrave height. Alright, and scale is 15. Alright, and transmission and the best GF left to 0, now 1.000. Okay, roughness 0, specular dot 4. And this tram and click the plane and modifier and click and change the for edit mode and right click and subdivide panels below and change for one, then the of 1 from 100. Alright, and dot right click, shade move, and size dot 1, and grayscale for color, blend original and you change original pattern. Okay. I just bump it, invert. Alright, and trying the negative 100, 0 to 100. Then in motion, shading, and then motion, and final this timing, and shading, again, 0, 0. Okay. Alright, and then motion, and copy these keyframes and paste. Now go copy keyframes and now and shading. Okay, okay, very select now and press S. Default translates the position case and go back to shading. Tapestry Skyman magic color for shiny. Yes. For better. Stories. Okay. And now click the ball or sphere and physics panel, physical plates, and click the option soft. Okay. Okay, it's very good. And the material, and click the true number and change the name and balls. And dash river wave. Okay. The rendering. No. And from change object forward. HDRI, okay. Alright. It's the video a tutorial from the ball from the water at for it's simple to make this and spend your like, okay, and subscribe to my channel and follow for more, okay. Thank you, bye bye.